Harvey, and today I will be teaching you how to do somebody wanted us. So first we're going to write somebody wanted, but so then. And then we're going to turn the paper over. So let's start with the first one, somebody. Okay, so first go back in this passage for this, and then highlight the main people in the story. So I see that the main people in the story that are in the title, which means they are the main people, are going to be Neptune and Minerva. So go ahead and turn your paper around and write Neptune and Minerva. Okay. So first you're going to go back, then next you're going to go back in the article and find what they wanted to do in this story. So I see that in this story that Neptune and Minerva want to. So, as reading over this story, I've noticed that they both want to be the ruler of that town. So, I'm going to go in the back and write they both wanted to be the ruler of the town. After that, go back and highlight the proof for the problem. So we're going to go back into the story and we're going to find what the problem is. As I noticed as reading over this story, I noticed that the problem is that there can only be one ruler, but they both wanted to be it. So I'm going to go back and say, but there can only be one ruler.
I need a tissue. Ready? Get him off. Ready?
Then go back and find what that person did to solve the problem. So what they did is they said, and remember that it takes time to do this. So it says that they were going to each give a gift. After that, go back and show proof for what they did after the problem. So after the problem, stop. After that, go back and show proof for what they did. After the problem. So let's go back and find proof for what they did after the problem. He said, Neptune threw back his head and laughed in his mighty roar. Yours is a far better gift than mine, my lovely niece. The village is yours. So that's what we would write. He gave in, basically. He gave in.
Chapter 1 mostly talks about
and let Minerva
that's been dried over like 1,000 years.
Be
right? So
the ruler.
Let's put it down.
Hey, what is going on? Put it